is a scenario that every parent dreads, but sadly, that was the reality for some today. Shortly after waving goodbye to their children, parents were called in by authorities to identify their bodies. 13 pupils died while on their way to school in Vanderbijl Park in Gauteng this morning, and witnesses say that the driver of their minibus tried to overtake 3 vehicles before colliding with a truck. Both drivers survived. They walked away with only minor injuries. Police have now opened 13 cases of culpable homicide. Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesufi and Education MEC Matome Chilwane visited the scene to assess the situation. Meanwhile, President Cyril Ramaphosa and other officials have offered their condolences to the affected families.
We firstly like to send the condolences to the families of the bereaved kids who lost their life in this tragic accident. It was not because of their own liking to lose those lives, but it was because of the accident that happened. And we wish also speedy recovery to those ones who are now admitted in hospital. It's a very sad day for scholar transport in Gauteng. It's not the first time this happened, and I think this needs to come to a stop.
An eyewitness has described the accident scene as devastating and painful.
In front of the taxi, there was one of the kids lying like that. That thing was so painful just because you see your kids lying there. I was just there crying, just because a lot of the people there was just standing there crying. You see, yeah. The person that's supposed to do that is that one was driving the taxi, but he was standing there raising the hands on the top of the head. Yeah, that thing was so painful. It's painful to see the kids lying down. There was one I can see is surviving. It's one kid. It's the girl I saw was standing there crying.